Thomas and the emergency cable. Thomas loves to work on his branch line, pulling his faithful coaches Annie and Clarabelle. Both Annie and Clarabelle have an emergency cable. Passengers can use it to sound an alarm and stop the train, but only in an emergency. Thomas was hurrying along his branch line when suddenly there was cause for alarm. Somebody had pulled the emergency cable, and the guard put the brakes on his coaches.
Stop, Thomas! Stop! It must be an emergency!
Everyone wondered what the emergency could be.
I'm sorry. I got a little overexcited. I thought I heard the sound of a very rare bird I've been looking for, and I wanted to see it, so I pulled the emergency cable. In any case, it's bound to have flown away now.
Seeing a rare bird is not an emergency.
Now Thomas had to travel up and down his branch line with only one coach.
I miss Annie.
So do I. And all because of one passenger pulling the emergency cable. I hope we never see that silly man with the binoculars again.
But Thomas did see the man with the binoculars again. He was waiting on the platform at Dryor Station.
Well, I'm not going to stop for him.
But you have to stop, Thomas. You always stop at the station.
I don't have to if I don't want to. Why should I?
This time, Sir Topham Hatt was cross with Thomas.
You must stop at every station, Thomas, and pick up every passenger, whether you're in a bad mood or not.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
The man with the binoculars may have pulled the emergency cable when he shouldn't have, but he said he was sorry, and I think he learned his lesson.
I'm sorry, sir, and I've learned my lesson too.
At last, Annie got a new wheel and came back to work with Thomas and Clarabelle.
Thanks for getting me a new wheel, Thomas. How did Victor find one so quickly?
I told him it was an emergency.
Very cheeky, Thomas. Yes, very cheeky indeed.